Tonight, Brazil face Scotland, and the whole world is watching. Not just for the result, but for one man, Neymar. After 3 years away from international football, he is finally available. The question is, will Ancelotti start him or not? Here is everything you need to know about Brazil's lineup tonight. Raphinha is out. Hamstring injury from the Haiti match rules him out completely. His replacement on the right wing is 19-year-old Raphinha from Bournemouth, a teenager stepping into one of the biggest matches of the group stage. That alone is a story. The rest of Brazil's lineup stays intact. Alisson in goal, Danilo, Marquinhos, Gabriel Magalhães, and Douglas Santos in defense. Casemiro and Bruno Guimarães in midfield. Vinicius Junior on the left. Matheus Cunha up front, who scored twice against Haiti. Now, Neymar. Ancelotti confirmed he is available and fit. He can play from halftime or the whole 90 minutes, Ancelotti said. He worked very hard, he is ready. But a start is considered unlikely. Lucas Paqueta is expected to keep his number 10 role, with Neymar coming off the bench if Brazil need him. And honestly, that is the smart call. Neymar has not played for Brazil since 2023. Throwing him straight into a high-pressure group stage match from the start would be a massive risk. Let him find his rhythm. Let him come on when the game is controlled. Brazil are top of Group C. Scotland need a miracle. Tonight should be business as usual for the Seleção, unless Scotland have other ideas. Kickoff is tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Hard Rock Stadium, Miami. Do not miss it.